Good morning everyone. Today I want to discuss about one of the very important feature of Google Ads, and that is remarketing. Remarketing is a very important feature of Google Ads. Why it is important? Because often you see a product but you don't intend to buy at the first visit. Most of the time we do not buy anything on the first attempt. You wanted to buy a mobile phone, you wanted to buy something online, it not necessarily happen that you buy it on the first visit. It may take several visits before you make a decision. Oftenly, let's suppose you want to buy a refrigerator for your home. How many time you will think before making a move? It certainly you will discuss with your wife, your family, your spouse and your relatives, and you will discuss multiple brands before making a purchase. So it's not a step like a customer is waiting like for you to advertise and he's just gonna click on your website and buy it this at the very next moment. Definitely it takes time. So which is why remarketing is very important. What is remarketing? Remarketing is actually the process of targeting those people who already know about your brand or service, who already know about your brand and service, or they have interacted with you before. With Google Ads, there are 4 types of remarketing. The number one is a standard remarketing. It is for those who have visited your website in the past and know about your brand, and you can target them through Google display network. It is known as standard remarketing. The second is dynamic remarketing, and it is for those who have visited your particular product or service. For instance, if you are a e-commerce store and you are promoting 100 products, but you want to retarget only those who are interested to buy iPhone or a certain product. For that we use a dynamic remarketing. The third option is a video remarketing. Video remarketing is for those who have interacted with your video or on your video at a YouTube channel, or I mean your own YouTube channel. If your customer has interacted with your video on your YouTube channel and you wanted to target them by your ad, it's a video remarketing. The fourth list is a customer list remarketing. It is actually for those visitors who have already bought a product from your website and you have a data, and you upload the email list of those visitors, and whenever a person from that email, like he has signed his in a Google ID with your email, with the email address through which he bought a product from your website, and you wanted to target them again, you can do it through customer list remarketing. It is important because we wanted to target those people who already know about your brand or service, and it's quite easier for them to make another purchase if they have a very good venture with you on their first purchase, rather a new customer who is thinking about hundred of things. Either your website is scam or fraud, and he is very concerned either your product is going to be delivered or not. So it's a very convenient way to target those who already know about you, and they are much more likely to do a purchase again, provided their first experience was very good with you, or they know about your brand or service and they have a mind makeup like it's okay if I will buy from this website, it's not issue because I know the website. So which is why I recommend doing remarketing. Remarketing is very important. Many brands are doing it, so you should do it as well. Thank you.